Imagine someone telling you that even $100 can grow into a large amount of money in the future. Most people would laugh at that idea because when we think about becoming rich, we imagine huge salaries, big businesses, or winning the lottery. But the truth is something very different. Most wealthy people didn't become rich overnight. They became rich because they understood how money works. And more importantly, they followed a simple financial system. The real problem in most people's lives is not that they earn too little money. The real problem is that they don't have a system to manage their money. Think about it. Millions of people wait for their salary every month. When the salary arrives, they feel happy. But within a few days, the money slowly disappears. Bills, food, shopping, entertainment, and many other expenses. And at the end of the month, people say the same sentence again and again. I want to save money, but nothing is left. But here is a powerful truth. Money will never save itself. You have to control it. One of the simplest financial rules used around the world is called the 50-30-20 rule. This rule is very simple. It divides your income into 3 parts. 50% of your income should go to needs. These include things like rent, food, transportation, and essential bills. 30% should go to lifestyle, things like entertainment, hobbies, travel, and enjoyment. And the final 20% should go to saving and investing. This rule alone can completely change someone's financial future. But the problem is that most people do the opposite. They spend first, and then try to save whatever remains. Rich people follow a completely different strategy. They save first and spend later. This small change in behavior makes a huge difference over time. Now you might ask an important question. What difference does it make if someone saves only $100 or $200? How can such a small amount make someone wealthy? The answer lies in one of the most powerful financial concepts in the world: compound interest. Compound interest is often called the secret weapon of the wealthy. It means that money starts making more money. For example, imagine you invest $1,000. If you earn a 10% return in 1 year, your money becomes $1,100. But in the next year, you don't earn interest on $1,000 anymore. You earn interest on $1,100. And the year after that, the interest grows again. This creates a snowball effect. Your money grows slowly in the beginning, but as time passes, the growth becomes faster and faster. Albert Einstein once reportedly said that compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. Those who understand it earn it, and those who don't pay it. Let's imagine a simple example. Suppose someone invests $200 every month. That is not a very large amount. Many people spend that much money on small daily expenses. But if that person invests $200 every month for 20 years and earns an average return of 10% per year, the total amount can grow more than $150,000. That is the power of time and discipline. And this is exactly how many ordinary people become financially secure. Now, the next question is very important. Where should beginners invest their money? For many beginners, the easiest option is mutual funds and index funds. These investments allow you to put your money into a large group of companies instead of relying on one single stock. This reduces risk and creates long-term growth. Another important tool used by investors is called SIP Systematic Investment Plan. With SIP, you invest a fixed amount of money every month. You continue investing whether the market is up or down. Over time, this strategy helps average out market fluctuations and builds wealth steadily. But investing alone is not enough. There's another important factor that determines financial success, and that factor is income growth. In today's digital world, there are more opportunities than ever before to increase income. Skills have become extremely valuable. Someone who learns skills like video editing, graphic design, coding, AI tools, digital marketing, or online business can create additional income streams. Even small side incomes can grow into something much bigger over time. Many successful people follow a simple principle. They don't rely on a single source of income. They create multiple sources of income. For example, someone might have a full-time job, a YouTube channel, freelancing work, or an online business. At first, the income from these sources might be small, but slowly and consistently, these income streams grow. And when income grows, investment grows as well, which means wealth grows faster. Another important habit of financially successful people is long-term thinking. Most people want quick results. They want money immediately. But wealth is not built in weeks or months. Wealth is built over years of discipline. Think about planting a tree. When you plant the seed, nothing happens immediately. But if you continue watering it and caring for it, one day it becomes a strong tree. Money works in a very similar way. Small financial habits today can create huge financial results in the future. Financial freedom doesn't mean becoming a billionaire. Financial freedom simply means living without constant money stress. It means having enough savings and investments to support your life. It means being able to take care of your family. It means having choices in life. And the most important step toward financial freedom is starting early, even if the amount is small. $50, $100, or $200. The amount is not the most important thing. The habit is, because the person who builds a habit of saving and investing will eventually build wealth, and the person who keeps delaying financial decisions will always struggle with money. So if there is one message to remember from this video, it is this: start today, start small, stay consistent, and let time and discipline do the rest. Because financial success is not built by luck. It is built by daily habits and smart decisions.